back on the 64 International today. Been working on getting the steering all hooked up to the rack. Finally got it done, and I wanted to give you guys a look at the rack and let you see everything hooked up. And I was going to cycle a steering for you guys and let you watch this thing move from lock to lock. I believe it's going to. Steering ended up using 2 U-joints and a small piece of double D shaft, and then the collapsible part of the column shaft slid up in there. And I got this bearing thing from a local supply house here to hold steady the column on the bottom of the where it comes through the firewall. I've got to still do some metal work there. I actually had to scoot the column over where it came through the firewall because the original steering on this truck, the box was on the outside of the frame, and now everything's inside the frame, so I had to scoot the column over. So I'm gonna have to fix some sheet metal there on the firewall where the old column came through. I'm gonna be working on the truck is getting that front airbags put into place. I wanted to run those big triple bellow bags that I had, but I'm just not gonna have the clearance to be able to put those in place and turn the wheel sharp enough, and the brake caliper not rub the airbag. So I had to find some smaller airbags. Went to a local truck big rig supply place close by the house, Fleet Pride, and I found these airbags here, and I believe they're going to work really good. I had a set of 8-inch Slam Specialty bags, and they were actually too small to me, so I found something just a little bit bigger. I'm going to show you guys these, and the next thing I'm getting ready to do is build the brackets to mount the top bag plate and get the bag that I'm going to run. It's sitting in place. I've got it just loosely bolted to the lower control arm. And like I said, the next thing I'll do is build the plate that bolts down on top of it and ties in over to the frame to get it secured. And then I'm going to temporarily plumb the air ride on the front of this truck and cycle the suspension up and down so that I can watch everything and see how it's all going to function and work. That is going to look awesome, especially when the hood's on it and there's a Cummins diesel sitting in there. That's the next thing we're actually going to start on. As soon as we finish up a few more things on the front end, we're going to set the motor in it and build motor mounts and start building our cover over the engine inside the truck. We're going to have to cut out quite a bit of the firewall to get this to fit in. But here it is, guys. Look at it. It looks killer. This was really lit a fire under me to keep moving forward on this truck. I can't wait to see this thing done. I want to tell you guys thanks for watching the videos, and keep liking and sharing and commenting on them. I'm going to keep working hard on this truck and try to cover the footage of the build on it for you. Like I said, thanks that's joined and started subscribing to the channel. Tell your friends, share the videos with them, let them know. Appreciate it.